What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. And I picked up another Jordan 14, guys. It's a sold out sneaker that came out a while ago and I just couldn't help myself, and I'm going to show you it today. Now before we get into the video, I just want to take a moment out to thank all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching another video. You guys always show me nothing but love and I appreciate and love you guys so much. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could take a moment out to destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel out tremendously. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. So guys, I'm not even gonna hold you, man. Like, for real, this was an impulse pickup. This was something that, I was taking some L's over, multiple weekends on some sneakers that I really wanted. And, you guys have probably done this too. When you take an L on a sneaker that you really wanted, or, a few sneakers that you really wanted, you gotta have a consolation prize. And as some of you know who watched my Grail pickup video, I picked up an Air Jordan 14 Ferrari not that long ago. And it was, one of my Grails. I don't have many 14s in my collection. So, picking that up was like a big deal to me. So today I got another Jordan 14 and like, honestly, like, I'm not even gonna cap at all whatsoever. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I literally bought this sneaker because I like the colorway for one, but the main reason was I wanted to sit it next to the Ferrari sneaker in my closet. I just wanted it to look dope in my closet. Not that I'm not gonna wear the sneaker, but you know what I mean? Like, whenever you're getting sneakers and you're putting them in your collection and you know what I mean, you're building your closet up, or if you have those sneaker cases or something, you know what I mean? Like, it just gets in your head, oh, I'm gonna put this there, I'm gonna get that there. You'll leave spots open, so in the future when you get that sneaker, you could put it right there. It's like a really weird thing. I'm sure some of you guys do it too. But I got the sneaker and here we go, and it comes in this silver box right here. You got the red Jordan Jumpman, and the official colorway is University Gold and Black, and I'm sure you guys are shocked about this one, but I picked up the Air Jordan 14. BAM! But yeah, I had to cop the reverse Ferrari 14s. I mean, it's got the University Gold and Black on it. I mean, it's just, it's going to match a lot of my, clothing and stuff like that. Like, I love black and yellow sneakers. I mean, I just do. You know what I mean? I'm a big Pittsburgh guy. You guys know that by everything that's surrounding me in this room right now. But, there's not a whole lot to go over. You do have that carbon fiber midsole right here. Carbon fiber shark teeth. You got the yellow upper, yellow on the front toe box, yellow on the inner part of the sneaker. Now the back of it, that's one of my favorite parts of the 14. I like that tire. You got the red Jumpman with the red 23. You do have that Ferrari Jordan Jumpman right there on the ankle portion of the sneaker. I mean, this was a sneaker that I didn't pick up when it originally came out, you know what I mean? And sometimes I do go back in time and just pick things up that I missed out on for whatever reason, whether maybe I didn't have the money, or, I was catching an L on it or something like that. But, just adding this into the collection was definitely something that I wanted to do, you know what I mean? And I got a good deal on it, so I picked it up. And it took me a while to, start getting 14s. I was just taking L's on them everywhere I, tried to get them. It just wasn't happening for me for whatever reason. But now I got the Ferraris, I got the reverse Ferraris, you know what I mean? And I'm feeling pretty good about my pickups. But I just wanted to come on here and make a quick video, show you what I picked up to add to the collection. Let me know if you cop the reverse Ferraris. Is this something that you have in your collection? What do you think about them? Do you think this was a cop? Was this a pass? Is this dope or is this trash? Comment down below, let me know what you think. Once again, I would like to thank you all for stopping by and spending your time with me. Before you guys bounce out, if you could please hit that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.